Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you row widget. So, so what are the properties we are having inside the column widget? Similar properties we are having in row widget also, but only the difference is the children difference, placing of the children difference. So inside the column, all children elements will be placed vertically. So comes to the row, all the children elements will be placed in horizontally. So this is only one difference between these two widgets. So let's start the code. How we will achieve this one? Container. I'm giving width media query of context dot size dot width height media query of context dot size dot height. I'm adding the child as the row will get. So inside the row we are having the children. I'm taking one children element as the container. Width giving 50. Height will be 50. Color will be green. I'm taking second one. Width 80. Height 80. Color red. I'm taking one more container. Width 100. Height 100. I'm taking one more. Width 200. Height 200. So first I'm giving the color as blue. Color pink. So we need some space between these containers. So for that I'm giving the sized box widget. I'm using sized box widget. Width 30. Giving the sized box widget for the spacing between the elements. Let's run the code. So if you see here, first one will be green color. So container we are taken. So inside we are taking row. After that we are taking some size space given with the help of suggest box. So here space is coming. After that we added the green color box as the container. This one we are giving width and height as the 50-50. After that we are taking the one more sized box for the space between these two boxes, red and green. So here space is coming white space. After that we are taking one container as the red color. Color will be red. Width height will be 80. This width height will be 80. This box width height. So after that we are taking sized box. We are getting some space between red to blue. After that we are taking the container. So this container width and height will be 100. Color will be blue. Now comes to after that we are taking the sized box for the space between these two widgets, blue and pink. This is the this is the container, pink. We are giving the width as the 200 and height as the 200 for this widget. So these are placed in horizontally. Uh, Why we are placing horizontally means you are using the row, so that's why it is placed horizontally. So instead of this row, if I using column, what will happen means this will be placed vertically. Let's start and run the code. See here, it is placed vertically, but here space is not coming. Why means we are giving the width as 330, but height we didn't given. So for that we are not getting any space between these elements. If you want to space now, at this time we need to give height instead of width. We need to give height. If you run this application, see here, now the gap is coming. Now the space is added between the elements like that. This is the only difference between column and row widgets. So if you are using row widget now, then you need to add width instead of height. If you are using column now, at that time you need to add height because you need the space vertically now. That's so if I run this application, check this. It will come like this. Okay. So inside the row we have few properties. Main axis alignment. Start. Start means if we use start, it will come top left, complete left position. The row widget will be aligned at a complete left. See here, it is coming left. So instead of start, if you use end, it will come right, end of the right. See here, it is coming right, right end. If you use center, it will come center. In the screen, it will come center. See here, it will come like this. So here we have main axis size. Main axis size dot max. I'm giving max. Let's check what will happen. So this max mini thing, when it is applied, for example, if you give main axis alignment as space around, space between, space evenly. Now, if you see, I am giving space around. See, now the entire screen it occupied. The row element occupied entire screen. So whatever the elements we added inside the row we get, those will be aligned equal, equally, equally they aligned. So instead of this, if you are using minimum, it will come like this. It means what will happen means, so ma- if you take main axis size as the minimum, the row widget will be expanded as per your children elements width and height. If you take max here, but in this case This row widget height will be depend upon the main parent widget height. So whatever the height we are given, it will depend on the height. So as per that height, it will be expanded. If you use minimum, at that time, it will depend upon the width, children width and height. It means children size, children element size. So this is the main axis size. So cross axis alignment also there. One more property, cross axis alignment dot start. This property why we are using this means uh, so now it is coming horizontally. We need to give some alignment in vertically to this particular row widget. With the help of this cross-axis alignment, we will able to do this one. For example, I am giving the start. It means it will come top left. Now it is in center now. Center left it is. It will come top left. Now when I run this code, it will come top left. Now if you see here, it is coming top left because of the cross-axis alignment. So here, if we give center, it will come center. Default cross-axis alignment will be take as the center position only. Now it is game coming center. If you add end, it will come bottom. Here it is coming bottom. So these are the properties we are having inside the row and column widgets. So this is the complete detailed information about the row and column widgets. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.